In this video, I'll be showing you how I turned this into this. Yeah, let's go. What's up YouTube? Today I want to thank everybody that's supporting my channel and subscribing to my channel. Man, believe me, everything matters, man. Every little support, everything that you guys are doing, man, it really means a lot to me, and I just wanted to give back to you guys. So thank you so much. And the people who haven't subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment below. And today I'll be going over this video about that Travis Scott vocal effect in the background. Ad lib, pretty much ad lib. Like one of my subscribers on one of my other videos had told me that my song that I did, Play These Games, that my vocal was sitting right in the mix, and I was like, thank you, man, I appreciate that. So I kind of wanted to give back to you guys and show you how to do it with third-party plugins and stock plugins in Pro Tools. Comment below if you want me to try to figure a way to get that same effect and any DAW that you're using, and I'll just try to, you know, get that back to you guys. So thank you. So what I'm doing now is this song, like I said, Play These Games. I got everything soloed. I'm gonna unsolo everything. This is a good reverb to have. I don't want to force you to buy it. You don't have to, but I mean, this is a great reverb, man. This is a great reverb to have. So I suggest you try to get one, but yeah, if you don't have it, that's fine too. My website is almost finished, so I would definitely be leaving like download links and free templates in my website, so you guys can grab some of those. So this might be one that I might put out for like 48-hour period free. So you guys gotta grab onto it. I'm gonna do a video letting you guys know that that video is up, so you guys can capture and grab the template pretty much for free. 48 hours though, first 48, you know. And yeah, that's about it. So pretty much listen to the vocal. Let me show you, you'll hear the vibe that I was talking about. You expect us to grow. I just want you to know, whenever I walk out the door, yeah, you say you don't see me. I just want you to know, whenever I walk out the door, yeah, you say. I know you guys heard that, so let me make this video quick. I'm not gonna bullshit you. So pretty much I got this NLS SSL sounding board, like I told you guys. I even got a preset called SSL board sound. Added the auto-tune effects on there, brought the high retune speed. The D flat major was the key. If you don't know how to find a key to your song, I got a video called auto-tune key versus key finder, and that's how you find the key to your beats. So you guys watch that video, watch that series. It's a good series to watch. And I use this F6 RTA. It's a good plugin. It's a good EQ to use. I could have used FabFilter Pro Q2 or Q3 since they updated FabFilter, updated all their plugins. So I could have used that as well. And let me show you guys. I'm not even showing you the settings, but here, yeah, you see the settings. I took down a lot of the low end, a lot of the mids. Didn't want to hear it. It's more like a vibe, you know. That's what I was trying to get. And I got the de-esser where S's was hitting, so I kind of got those down to a reasonable level. I used the slow attack, fast release on this CLA 76, and I used the regular EQ to kind of brighten up that high end because I wanted to hear it, wanted to be bright. So I used that, and I used the R comp 3:1 ratio, attack, yeah. Valhalla Vintage Verb. This is a great reverb to use, and I suggest you guys kind of start buying, if you got the money, you know, if you got the money, start buying some plugins to invest in your home studio, because at the end of the day, people are only gonna support you as much as you support yourself. So I feel like you invest in yourself, people invest in you. So just try to get you some good plugins out here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bypass all this and let you hear the vocal without none of this on it, so you understand how I got that sound. It's gonna sound crappy, but listen to it. As you see, you can't even hardly hear it. So that's why I got this channel and all this stuff on it. I compressed the vocal, I EQ'd it, I put the auto tune on it, and I brought the vocal up as well. So that's all these plugins on it right here. This is third party part of this tutorial video. And watch this. So like I said, that was just the ad-lib part of this, and I sent all that to the hook aux, and let me turn all those on so you guys can get a grasp of what it really did. And I added some more verbs over here, vocal thickener to make it sound very bright and thick. Pause. And let's see what that sound like with the whole track, so we can kind of understand why. The vibe that I created. I just want you to know, whenever I walk out the door, it's over. Yeah. You say you don't see me unless it's on TV. It used to be in 3D. But you don't make it easy, cause you don't believe. Now that's the vibe that it created without adding all those on it. But I'm gonna mute all those. And as you guys saw earlier, that even sounded better. It still sounded good without even add all this on it. It's just extra flavor that I wanted to add to it. So and let's go over the stock part of this. So I'm gonna solo those, and I'm gonna unmute this, and I'm gonna bring this down. Or for this purpose only, I'm gonna turn all this down. I'm gonna turn all of it down to right there. Zip, nada, negative infinity. So you don't hear any of that. So listen to it. As you can see, these are all, besides this, I'll just by making active, you still hear it. Watch this. So these are all stock plugins within Pro Tools. So at this session of the video, guys, I'm not talking to third-party plugin guys who got Waves, Audio, Waves, Isotope, any other plugin. I'm talking strictly to stock plugins owners. So let's get to the video. So what I did, I used a pitch correction. I used this pitch. You can look at the settings that I use. I toned it down. I toned it to where it sounded good within my ear of the flavor of the song. So yeah, look at the settings, EQ, pretty much the same thing I did. I brought in a lot of low end that I didn't need. It's a high roll off with the high pass filter here. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it on and off. Yeah, I did a lot of roll offs, 12 dB of roll off, and all over here. And what else? A de-esser. I found the range that was all the hisses, all that sibilance. You want to get rid of that. And added a compressor. This is a stock plugin. You know, a stock plugin when you see knees, when you see the knees. Yeah, I haven't used this plugin in forever. Wow. But this is a setting that I use for this video. EQ, I did another EQ, like I said, brighten that vocal up. This pretty much the same setting I used on the ad lib above. And what I did, I used another dynamic compressor, and I just, you know, got to where the levels were pretty good and didn't do too much with it. Same 3-to-1 ratio, lowered the threshold. Didn't do much makeup gain because I didn't really want to. I mean, just when you compress, you always want to do the makeup gain, but I didn't want to. Like I said, it's no rules to mixing or getting whatever you want to get. So that's the goal of everything. You want to get to where you want to get to, and whether you do some steps that you normally don't do, it's nothing wrong. You know, it's trying new things. So, and then I used the deverb. I never used this before, but I found the same settings to kind of sound just like the. First of all, I never put reverb on one single track. I always use it as a sin, but for this particular vocal, I just wanted to grab that whole entire environment of it I just wanted to grab that whole entire vocal and just make it one body, you know. And everything sung out to this hook aux that's gonna make it sound wider. So let me unbypass all that right here and let you listen to it with this on it. But like I said, you heard how this sounded without all this on it. So you know this is legit. Like, let's see what that sound like with the beat. You know what I'm saying?
How you expect us to grow? I just want you to know. Whenever I walk out the door, it's over. Yeah. You say you don't see me.
And once again, you don't have to buy these expensive plugins to obtain or get a certain sound. I just want to motivate you guys and inspire you to not follow, oh, this guy used this plugin. No. You can get that same sound with manipulating regular plugins. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to buy those expensive isotope. I'm not, you know, sponsored by nobody, but you don't have to. I'm just showing you guys you don't have to buy the expensive plugins to get a certain sound. You just keep playing with it. I mean, that's all it is, man. Just keep playing with it, learning why you're doing things and the process of it, and you can always get that sound. And that kind of sound like that Travis Scott ad-lib, you know what I'm saying? I didn't do much with the stock plugin right here, man. I didn't do much. And I just want to show you guys that. So it's your boy Magic. And if you, like I said, man, people that subscribe to my channel, I appreciate the support. And if you haven't subscribed by now, you probably should. I'm up here dropping gems. I'm trying to teach you guys as well as learning myself. So I would do more breakdowns of this song with how I got the verse or the verse and the hook and all that stuff to sound the way it sounded as well. And how I did these drops, you know, certain drops in this video right here. Like I did small things that add flavor to the track as well, like this right here.
Tell me why you play these games. Tell me why you play these games. Tell me.
It's your boy Magic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so when I drop something, you know what is coming. Yes, it's your boy Magic. Peace.